I am a user experience designer. I started out as a graphic designer and then got exposed to the world of the internet. The majority of my career has been focused on user experience. I've worked at big companies, big corporate companies, small startups, and everything in between. And I mainly help companies either launch a product or optimize a product that's already in market. So traditionally in product development, people would normally have kind of a grandiose idea of what the product would be, and they would just go after that idea for months, sometimes years probably. And that's really wasteful. And so lean product development is really about kind of having that vision in the foreground, but taking kind of smaller baby steps along the way, and at each kind of milestone figuring out, are we on the right track or should we change our vision? So it's really about keeping that vision in front of you, but taking smaller steps and then kind of validating those smaller steps along the way so that you're using all your resources really efficiently. I decided to teach this course because, first of all, I love teaching. I actually started teaching piano lessons in high school to little children. I teach the user experience portion of the Lean Product Development course, and that for now has focused on kind of understanding your users and who these people are, what are their needs, what are their goals, what are we assuming about them, what do we need to kind of validate later on. And then figuring out what product features are really going to help fulfill or deliver on those needs and goals. And then from there, we have another class where we are focusing on kind of identifying user flows to achieve those goals and identifying and prototyping out different screens that are critical to that user flow or product. In the next iteration, I'm most looking forward to hearing the ideas of the new students. Most people come into the class and they have a side project or a business idea they're working on. And so as someone who's kind of an outsider to them, I get to provide kind of a fresh set of eyes or a fresh perspective, which oftentimes kind of states the obvious, but because they have been married to this idea 24/7, they end up missing the obvious a lot of times. So that's what I'm most excited about, kind of helping people see the obvious things they may have overlooked.